I just watered my Christmas tree. Tomorrow is Christmas Eve, so we're not quite there yet. And you will not believe the hell. I seen a couple bugs. I was like, what's that little bug? What was that? This was earlier today when I was watering. I was like, oh, there's just a couple little bugs. And then I start looking. Good God. Then I went to water it. That was in the water. Every one of those are little bugs. Like, what? They're dead. I just sprayed them. But then I start looking like, where'd they come from? And I'm looking at the tree, and then, oh my God. I mean, the hell did they come from? So I start like, well, maybe they're in this part of the tree. Oh my God. They must be like starting little. And then I don't, eating the sap maybe? I mean, I guess. There's like, I mean, thousands of these things. Like, what do I do? I just let it ride for a couple days, have Christmas. I mean, I got a 2-year-old, a 4-year-old, and a 9-year-old. Be pretty damn disappointed without a tree. Lowe's Home Improvement. That's where I bought this thing. God. Now watch your trees before you buy them.